What's up guys, it's Aaron here with 2 Minute Tech, and in 2 minutes we're going to take a quick unboxing and look at this, the Nest Hello Video Doorbell. It does have 24/7 continuous streaming video, so it's not something that's just activated by noise or sound or motion. It's on all the time. It also has a 4:3 video aspect ratio, meaning that it gives you like a nice head to toe shot, so you can actually see the full body of the person and potentially the packages that you may have sitting on the doorstep, which is pretty sweet. Also has HDR, or high dynamic range, which should give you like really nice range of colors and tones as far as really dark darks, bright brights, and should give you a much more vivid image than some of the other competitors on the market. It also has facial recognition, so it could recognize family and friends and give you a separate notification when someone like that is at your door. And something else that differentiates this is that it does have pre-recorded video responses, which we'll be able to check out on another video. So all that said, let's crack it open and see what's inside. So right out of the box here, you've got the actual Nest unit. This is what you'll see once it's installed. If I pull this up and take a look at the back, we've got some screws here. It looks like a ability to charge this from USB, it looks. There's also a QR code, as well as your regulatory information here on the top, the bottom here. Inside, we've got some information sheets, nicely packaged. We've got some instructions on quick setup. Also kind of a nice little sticker if you want to add this to be able to, showcase to your neighborhood that you're protected by Nest. They've got a nice little video sticker that you can put in your window. Wiring system here. So this is how to actually install the doorbell. It looks like you're going to use these wires to tap into your existing electrical outlet for your doorbell. And then in this little box, a really nice little branded, you can see that Nest logo drill bit. So some really cool tools in here, some extra wiring, drill bit, looks like nuts for your wiring to screw that in, or anchors for your drywall, some extra screws, and almost like a little sim pop tool here as well. And then this looks like it is the mounting plate that you would use to mount to the wall. I believe this will attach to this. Looks like it's got an angle on it, so it's got a little bit of a ramp if you want to tilt the angle of your camera in. And then this looks like the standard mount if you choose to not actually ramp or angle your doorbell in. So overall, that kind of wraps it up for the unboxing portion of the Nest Hello Video Doorbell. If you like this video, you'd like to see more like it, definitely hit subscribe, hit that bell icon to get notifications. Like the video, leave me a comment below, let me know what you thought. If you're thinking about picking this video doorbell up, check the link down there. I do have it listed to purchase from Amazon. So thanks for watching and have a great day.